Question number 5. A hemispherical depression is cut out from one face of a cubical wooden block such that the diameter L of the hemisphere is equal to the edge of the cube. So, they are given the diameter of the hemisphere is same as the edge side of the cube. Okay. Determine the surface area of the remaining solid. It is same as the previous sums. So, you see that edge of the cube is equal to L. Let L be the edge of the cube. Therefore, diameter of hemisphere equal to what? Diameter of hemisphere equal to L, because diameter of this hemisphere, it is touching both these vertices. So we can say that the diameter of the hemisphere is same as the length, that is the length of the side of the cube, that is L. Therefore, radius of the hemisphere equal to what? Therefore, radius of hemisphere. What will be the radius? L divided by 2. Okay. Then we must find out the surface area of the remaining solid. Therefore, surface area of the remaining solid equal to surface area of the remaining solid. Surface area of the remaining solid equal to TSA of cube minus pi r square, base area of the hemisphere, plus ESA of hemisphere. The previous sum I explained now, the same procedure, only this one also. So TSA of a cube, what is the formula? 6a square. Here a is what? L. The side is L. So 6L square minus pi r square. Pi into r is what? L by 2. So L by 2 the whole square plus 2 pi r square. So 2 pi into L by 2 the whole square. So this and this you have to club and write 6L square plus pi into L by 2 the whole square, because 2 pi L by 2 the whole square minus pi L by 2 the whole square is pi into L by 2 the whole square. This will be 6L square plus pi L square divided by 2 2s are 4. So that will be the final answer. If you are considering pi by L square is common, so L square by 4, if I am considering that as an outside, so how many 4s are here? 4 is the denominator. So 24 divided by 4 only you will get 6. So inside bracket what will come? 24 plus then pi. If I am taken L square by 4 as a common factor, the final answer become L square by 4 the whole into 24 plus pi.